English Podcast Boost. Learn, speak, improve.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Boost. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We're happy you're here today.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast Boost for more easy English conversations every week.
Let's start today's episode.
Hi, Alex. How was your weekend?
It was great. I tried a new restaurant with my family.
Really? What kind of restaurant was it?
It was a small Italian restaurant. It looked simple from the outside, but it was very cozy inside.
I like places like that. Sometimes the small restaurants have the best food.
That's exactly what happened. Everything tasted fresh.
What did you order?
I ordered grilled chicken with rice and a fresh salad.
That sounds healthy. I thought you were going to say pizza.
I wanted pizza, but I decided to try something different.
Good choice. Trying new food is always fun.
Yes, and I'm glad I did. The meal was delicious.
Now I really want to know more about that restaurant.
Then let me tell you everything.
So, how was the service?
It was excellent. The waiter welcomed us with a big smile. He was very polite.
That's always nice. Friendly service makes a big difference.
It really does. He even helped us choose our food.
Did he recommend anything?
Yes, he recommended the homemade pasta. My sister ordered it, and she loved it.
Now I'm getting hungry.
Me too. Just talking about it makes me want to go back.
What about dessert? Did you have one?
Of course. We shared a slice of chocolate cake. It was soft and not too sweet.
That sounds perfect. I love sharing dessert. Then everyone gets a taste.
Exactly. We all tried a little piece. It was the perfect way to finish the meal.
I think restaurants are more than just food. They're places where people spend time together.
I agree. The conversation, the laughter, and the memories. That's what makes a meal special.
You're right. Good food is important, but good company is even better.
I couldn't agree more.
Alex, are you an adventurous eater?
Sometimes. I like trying new dishes, but not everything.
That's fair. Is there any food you never want to try?
I'm not a big fan of very spicy food. If it's too spicy, I can't enjoy the meal.
I'm the same. A little spice is fine, but too much is difficult for me.
Do you usually order the same meal, or do you like trying something different?
If it's my first time at a restaurant, I usually try something new. But if I really like a dish, I'll order it again next time.
That makes sense. I think it's nice to discover new flavors.
Have you ever ordered something and then realized you didn't like it?
Yes. Once I ordered a seafood dish. It looked amazing on the menu, but it wasn't for me.
At least you gave it a try.
Exactly. Now I know what I like and what I don't.
Trying something new is never a bad idea. Even if you don't love it, you learn something.
That's true. And sometimes you discover a new favorite meal.
That's the best surprise of all. Alex, do you eat at restaurants often?
Not really. Maybe once or twice a month. Most of the time, I eat at home,
Me too. Home-cooked meals are usually healthier.
and they save money too.
That's true. Eating out every day can be expensive.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I'm not a professional chef, but I enjoy making simple meals.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making pasta. It's easy, quick, and delicious. What about you?
I can cook, but only a few dishes. My best meal is grilled chicken with vegetables.
That sounds healthy. Maybe one day you'll cook dinner for your friends.
Maybe, but I think I need a little more practice first.
Practice makes everything easier. The more you cook, the better you become.
You're right. Maybe next weekend I'll try a new recipe.
And after that, you can tell me how it went.
Deal. I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Alex, I think trying a new restaurant is always exciting. You never know what you're going to find.
That's true. Sometimes you discover a place that becomes your favorite.
What makes you want to go back to a restaurant?
Good food is important, but friendly staff and a nice atmosphere matter too. If I feel comfortable, I usually want to come back.
I feel the same. I also like restaurants that are clean and quiet. It's easier to relax and enjoy the meal.
Yes, it's much nicer when you can actually hear the person you're talking to.
Exactly. Sometimes restaurants are so loud, you have to repeat every sentence.
Then dinner becomes a speaking exercise.
That's true. Maybe it's good for practicing English.
Maybe, but I'd still prefer a quieter place.
Would you recommend this restaurant to your friends?
Definitely. The food was delicious, the service was excellent, and the prices were reasonable.
Then I think I should visit it one day.
You should. I think you'd really enjoy it.
Maybe next time we can go together.
That sounds like a great plan.
I really enjoyed today's conversation. Now I'm thinking about trying a new restaurant this weekend.
Me too. Talking about food always makes me hungry.
I think that's happening to both of us.
Trying a new restaurant is a great way to spend time with family or friends. You can enjoy good food and make happy memories together.
And sometimes, one good meal can become a wonderful memory.
Exactly. Now it's time for today's question.
Question of the day. What's your favorite restaurant, and what do you usually order there?
Write your answer in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
If today's episode helped you improve your English, please give this video a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast Boost. We share easy English conversations every day.
Listen again whenever you can. Each time you listen, you'll understand a little more.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and enjoy every conversation in English.
Thanks for listening. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Thanks for listening. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.